Today I wanted to share one of a toy that I really like for a 1-year-old. This is a wonderful first birthday present, for example. It's a wooden nut and bolt. This is wonderful activity for eye-hand coordination, for visual discrimination, and also the movement of the wrist and the hands, which we'll be needing for writing later on. So a wooden nut and bolt. Again, remember, when we show the child how to use the material, we're going to slow our movements and avoid talking. I also here have a basket that I use just in case the child does not want to put it back or is not able to. All the pieces can just be put back on the shelf in the basket. And usually, to be honest, by this time the child has taken it out of your hands and wants to do it themselves. This is wonderful activity, nuts and bolts, for again, for a 1-year-old.